up guys, welcome back. It's Chris with the GT Supercharged channel. I'm going to do what I said I was going to do tonight, and it's going to be finishing up the blue stripe on the back of the car. I'm going to try without any heat gun or Goo Gone first just for fun, and if that doesn't work, which it probably won't, I'll go in and get a hairdryer or something and we'll take it from there. So hopefully this goes well. Check it out and then we'll see what happens. So that came off extremely easily with the hairdryer. I wish I did that last night. That would have taken like, a quarter of the time. So now we know, and it's time to put the stripe back on. Alright, so the stripes are on. That took a while. It was pretty scary because I saw a lot of bubbles. I think I got most of them out, but we'll find out really tomorrow since it's getting dark. So check it out guys, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. See you next video.